visible to you? So we are first going to start with the discussion of homework, after which we will start with a new topic. Disha has already raised hand. Disha, I did not ask anything yet. You can put in the chat box if you have any problem, Disha. Shravan can't see the screen. Okay, Shravan, just hold on. I'll share the screen once again. Just hold on. Yeah, is it visible now? Let me know in the chat box. Yes, great. Okay. So if you remember, we were supposed to discuss exercise number 5, 6, and 7, right? Exercise number 5, make negative. We will start with that one. So the questions of exercise number 4 we had discussed. Here are the answers. Now, these answers you are supposed to convert into the negative form. मतलब green वाला sentence जो है उसको negative form में करके आपको बताना है. Okay? So one by one I will unmute you. Those who want to answer can put in the chat box. Your mic is working. You have no internet connectivity problem and all. That way you can let me know. Who wants to answer the first one? You have to say, not type in the chat box. Okay, Shrishti wants the access. Okay, Shrishti, I'll give you the speech access. Shrishti, you can now speak.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, dear.
Yes, miss. Can I start?
Yeah, please do start.
L N apostrophe EST pa ale a l'école.
Perfect. Very, very good. Go ahead with the second one.
Ils ne sont pas descendus vite.
Perfect. Very good. Third one.
Vous N apostrophe E circumflex TES pas arrivé à 9 heures.
Super. Very good. And fourth one.
Nous ne sommes pas partis samedi matin.
Superb, Srishti. Your answers are perfect. Very, very good. Thank you so much. I'm going to mute you and give chance to someone else now. Shikha said she wants to answer. So, Shikha, I'm unmuting you. Be ready. Shikha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
5th,
ma'am.
6th, 7th, 8th. Next 4. Last 4.
Okay.
Start from 5th
Fifth one
onwards.
is ils ne sont pas. Yes. Sont pas
Yeah.
ventres
Correct.
tard.
Superb. Next one.
Ils ne pas monter au premier stage.
Okay. Emmanuel Nepa. Next one, dear. 7th one.
Luc n'est pas venu ses amis.
Avec ses amis. Good. Very good. And the last one.
Rucha n'est pas tombée dans la rue.
Super. So I'm displaying the answers that you all just said. Here are all the 8 answers. You have given them yourselves. Very good, Srishti, and very good, Shikha. I'll mute you. Shikha, mute yourself from your, yeah, great. Okay. Now, exercise number 6 was make interrogative. If you remember, in the interrogative form, you swap. What do you swap? The subject and the verb. All right. So, here are the questions. Remember, you are using inversion. Sans est que. The question says, mettez à la forme interrogative. Okay. So, you are making interrogative. How are you making interrogative? There are 2 ways. One is est que, another one is inversion. Okay. तो एस का वाला फॉर्म हमको यूज नहीं करना है. दैट इज व्हाट दे आर सेइंग. सॉन्स एस का मतलब विदाउट एस का. नाउ व्हेन दे से विदाउट एस का मतलब एस का हट गया. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद इन्वर्जन. गेटिंग मी? So first one I will give the answer. View love film. Okay, I see the hands up. The people are raising hands. Okay. Let me see who is it. Why don't you all put it in the chat box? Aldrin, I'm unmuting you. Aldrin, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you want to give the first one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
As to
Very good.
rest of the sentence. You lay.
Correct, correct. And what else is missing? Rest of the sentence, and you should end the sentence with what?
Question mark.
Once more, what is it?
With a question mark.
Very good. Superb. Superb. So you are swapping the subject and the verb. You see, QR becomes RQ. Again, another important thing is making sure you put the hyphen in between.
Yeah.
After which you continue with the rest of the sentence and put the question mark. Okay. Aldrin, continue next. Second, third, and fourth also you will give.
Est hyphen il
Correct. Yeah.
are where la are. And question.
Other. Yeah. Very good. Very good. See, question mark नहीं बोला तो marks cut होगा. Chocolate कम मिलेगी एक. Yeah. Continue. Third one.
Avons nous
Correct.
appris les passé composé? Question mark.
Super. Very good. The next one.
Sont ils descendre en ascenseur? Question mark.
Yeah. Super. Okay. तो bracket में जो word लिखा है, that is the meaning of the word ascenseur. Ascenseur is lift. So they have given you the meaning in the bracket. If you don't write that in the answer, it's quite okay. All right. Aldrin, thank you so much. We will mute you, and now we give chance to someone else. Samara, I see your hand is up.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello, dear. Continue. Next 4.
At il hyphen t hyphen il vous le dernier film the Woody Allen question mark.
Super. Here, what was very important is hyphen T hyphen, which Samara has given perfectly. You know, she has written it perfectly. So others, if you've not done that, make sure you put the hyphen T hyphen. Okay, Samara, could you please help us, in why is the hyphen T hyphen put over here?
Because there's a vowel clash between A and I.
Very good. Superb. So we are trying to avoid the clash by adding hyphen T hyphen. Very good. Continue, Samara.
LS arrive. Sorry. S
Six wala.
hyphen. Okay, sorry.
Six wala.
At il A hyphen T hyphen il 3 book the photos and question mark.
Super. Very good. Next one.
S hyphen L arrive the
Yeah.
Australia and question mark.
Australia. Very good. Et tel arrive d'Australie? Question mark. And the last one, Samara.
Font hyphen ils visite les belles plages de Normandie and question mark.
Super, very good. So I see the answers came up in the chat box as well. Very good. Those who are answering, those are very active. Super. Keep it up. We are done with the 2 exercises. We first finished negative. Then now, just now, we just finished like interrogative form, and the last one now for the homework assignment discussion to finish, exercise number 7. Okay. Let me see who's raised hand. Steiner.
Hello.
Steiner.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, what are you supposed to do here?
I have to put them in the proper order.
Correct. So words are given in the random order. You have to rearrange these words in such a way that sentence makes sense.
Yes, ma'am.
So Steiner, tell me, what will you look for in the sentence first?
Ma'am, that is ill.
Okay. What is ill exactly? How should the structure be?
Ma'am, it should be what do you say? Subject pronoun.
Yeah.
Then after that, verb,
Very good.
and then
It's passé composé. So after the verb, you should have.
after the verb is this infinitive.
No. passé composé में infinitive नहीं होता. क्या होता है? P dot T. What is the full form?
Full form is T dot T na
P and P. Past.
huh?
Past participle. Okay. Past participle.
Yes, ma'am. That
Subject plus avoir or être. You will search for avoir or être. Then the past participle, and after which you will find the remaining rest of the sentence. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Continue. How are you going to write the answer?
Il fait du shopping.
Perfect. Very good, Steiner. Next one.
Yes. Next is L L N no L L O L
Yes.
O
L-A.
L A says no, ma'am.
L-A के बाद look for the past participle, Steiner. Past participle. L-A.
L A Ashat
Very good. L-A ashite.
L A Ashate enfants des no Ashate
Okay.
des
Okay.
enfants ses fleurs.
Okay. See, now the meaning has changed. Okay. Actually, the sentence is supposed to be Ella achète des fleurs pour ses enfants. Steiner. Okay. अभी आपने क्या कर दिया पता है इधर? The sentence is she bought some flowers for her children. आपने क्या कर दिया पता है इधर? She bought some children for her flowers. You get me? Steiner, क्या कर दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you see एक word भी इधर उधर हो गया, the meaning completely changes. You cannot buy children for flowers. Getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No worries. So I hope this sentence is clear. इधर एक दो word इधर उधर हो जाएगा तो meaning change हो जाएगा. So you have to be careful with that. Elle a acheté des fleurs pour ses enfants. She bought some flowers for her children. Okay.
Okay.
Steiner, we mute you and we give chance to someone else. Good
Yes,
attempt. Aldrin has already answered. Shrishti has already answered. Shivani, is your mic working? I see you are very active in the chat box. You've typed all your answers. Shivani, is your mic working? Last time you had some issues with it. Not working. Okay. Anyone else except Steiner, Shrishti, and Shikha? Aldrin has also given. Except these four, anybody else? Or I will pick you. to answer? Okay, then I will choose. Let's see. Okay, Palak from Vikroli branch. I am unmuting you. Palak?
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Yeah. Yeah. Good evening, dear. Third and fourth.
Yeah.
Next
Nous
two.
jouons à cricket hier.
Very good. Nous avons joué au cricket hier. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. We played cricket yesterday. Next one, fourth one.
J'ai passé un bon moment.
Okay. J'ai passé un bon moment. In the previous answer, there are two possible answers. Okay? Like, it could be we played cricket yesterday or yesterday we played cricket. Both the answers are completely fine. All right? It doesn't change the meaning, so it's fine.
Okay.
Then fourth one is exactly as what you said. Fifth one, would you like to try?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, go
Tu
ahead.
as descendu sep hers. So, tu as descendu sep yours.
Few ani. Few. Descendre goes with avoir or être.
With our, with etra.
Yeah. So few ani. Instead, few क्या आएगा? Few
Tu es,
a. Yeah, exactly. Few a
yeah.
and
Tu
then
es.
continue.
Tu es descendu sep hers.
A set or. Okay. At 7 o'clock. Now we need at. Few a
Yeah.
descendu a set or. Okay. Do you want to continue or shall I give chance to someone else?
So anything will
आपने
do.
सब लिखा है?
हाँ.
अच्छा फटाफट बोल दो फिर
हाँ,
7
ठीक है।
8 भी बोल दो.
हाँ. Nous sommes sortis de la gare vite.
Perfect, very good. Okay. The only thing
Ella,
is we should come after the verb. Okay, because it's an adverb. So generally इसका placement after the verb होता है French में.
okay.
Continue.
Elle a préparé un gâteau pour moi.
Okay. Elle a préparé un gâteau pour moi. And the last one.
Marie et Jean sont allés en Bretagne.
Super, very good. Okay, I hope you all have got the same answers. Very good, Palak. You've done your homework. It shows, and you've given perfect answers.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Palak. Great answers, great participation. Okay, I'm going to mute you, Palak. Yeah, she's already muted herself. Great. Okay, there is a question in the chat box. What is the meaning of beat? Beat is quickly. Okay, getting it? Beat is quickly. Nous sommes sortis vite de la gare. So we exit quickly from the station. Isha, is your question doubt clear? Yeah, great. So we have finished with discussion of exercise 5, 6, and 7. Now I will give you assignment for the next class, and then I will start with a new topic. Okay. 8 exercise we will skip as of now because there is another topic which I have to teach before you solve this exercise. So I'm skipping this. 9th exercise, what are you supposed to do? This is your homework. Okay. Exercise number 9, 10, 11. Note it down. Exercise number 9, 10, 11 of chapter 1 is going to be your assignment. Okay, now I will help you with the first question of each of these exercises. J dash la France. What are you supposed to do here? Question read करते हैं. Complétez les phrases suivantes avec des participes passés convenables. Okay, so basically they are asking us to fill in the blanks with the correct past participle. Okay, the past participle is absent. They have not given any verb at all. एक भी verb नहीं दिया है इधर. So what you have to do here is think of the appropriate past participle. For example, first one, j'ai visité la France. I visited France, or I saw France. You know, you cannot write I went to France because aller goes with être if you remember. And यहाँ पे avoir का conjugation दिया हुआ है. Getting me? So you have to check. आवर जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे आवर वाले पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स ही लिखने हैं. एत्र जहाँ है वहाँ पे एत्र वाले पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स ही लिखने हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स यू हैव टू थिंक कौन से सेंटेंस में कौन सा वाला सूट हो रहा है and you have to also make sure etra and hour आप mix ना कर दो. Okay, so remaining 7 sentences you will do in the assignment. I hope I'm making myself clear. What are you supposed to do here? Next, exercise number 10. Okay, in the 10th, just a second, hold on. Okay, first I will explain exercise number 12. Okay, हम लोग ने 9th discuss किया, तो 9th is your homework. Now 12th. 12th में what are you supposed to do here is, you have been given activities in the random order. Okay, you have to put it in such, in such a way that it goes in the perfect order. For example, these are the activities that Rosalie does. Okay, she did rather yesterday because it's the past tense. So these are the activities that she has already finished. You have to put them in the order in such a way that it makes sense. For example, in the beginning, she is obviously going to wake up or whatsoever, or get ready. Then she may have her breakfast. वो वाले order. दिन में, from the start, what do you do? Then next, what do you do? And so on. Activities, in which order do you do in a particular day? कैसे करते हैं? First you wake up, then you have your breakfast, then maybe you go to school, or before that maybe you catch a bus, whatsoever. So आपको ये activities, you have to first understand what these activities are and then rearrange them in the correct order. Clear? So for example, here the first is faire sa toilette. Okay, so basically in the morning she is just getting ready. Okay, that is the first thing. Then remaining, okay, I'll help you with the second one also. So after that, L, prendre sa, L, now here you will simply just put the sentence in the same manner. Prendre sa pati déjeuner, आपको second activity लग रहा है, तो आप second activity वैसे डालोगे. Prendre sa pati déjeuner. Put them in the chronological order, correct order में डालना है. Okay? Yeah, so that is to take breakfast. Okay, then remaining activities, you figure out what they mean, what they are, and accordingly put them in the correct order. So exercise number 9, assignment. Exercise number 12, assignment. I will go ahead. Okay, and exercise number 15 is your assignment. Note it down. 9, 12, and 15. I will also note it down so that I can remind you in the next class. Okay. Assignment number 9, 12, and 15. Now, 15 is very clear. It's crossword. You have hints given horizontal, vertical. You have to just read them and put them in the correct boxes. Okay, horizontally, vertically, however it fits. Clear? Exercise number 9, 15, and 12. I'll put that in the chat box too. And you have to, take it down in the notebook. Exercise number 9, 12, and 15 assignment. All right. So I will stop the screen here because we are going to start with a new topic. 10 and 11 we will discuss in the next class. Okay? Isha, okay? 9, 12, and 15. All right. I'm going to share another screen now. That's going to be a new topic for the day. Just hold on, I'll be sharing the screen, another PPT. Yeah, let me know if it's visible. Let me know in the chat box. Load ho gaya. Can you all see? It is visible. Yes, great. Super. So I'll be going ahead. Okay. Before I tell you which topics I am going to take, I'll give you a small hint. Okay. Basically, it is again like last time we did tenses are two simple topics. This time I have picked up adjectives. So, two easiest topics of adjectives I'm going to take. Which are the two easiest topics of adjectives? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, easiest as well as smallest. So qualifying is not smallest. Okay, Lisha? Yeah, Shivani is right. It's demonstrative. And what else? Yeah, I'm going to start with demonstrative. Lisha, perfect. You guessed it right. Okay, the next one we will guess later, since I've already got what I'm going to start with. Nisha, okay. Srushti, partitive is not adjective. Possessive adjective is also not very small, Lisha. Okay, so दूसरा वाला topic हम बाद में guess करेंगे. We will go ahead with demonstrative adjectives, as Lisha has rightly, guessed. Les adjectives démonstratifs. Before we start with this, one of you put it in the chat box. What do you mean by the word demonstration? What do you mean by to demonstrate? Anyone? In the chat box, please. Nobody? Yes, see, I got the answers. Correct, superb. Shravan from DN Nagar has given, no. It is Isha from Takshila who has given the right answer. And Rashi from JV Nagar. Okay, superb, Isha and Rashi. I'm going to, read the explanations that you have given in the chat box. Isha says demonstrative. To demonstrate is to point something. Okay, Rashi says the same thing. Okay, there is another word for it. To demonstrate is to show something. Okay, to show something, you have to point out something. As simple as that. So, which are the words that you use in English to point out something? English में कौन से words होते हैं ऐसे that you use when you want to point out something? In English, yes, Samara has given the answer. This, that, these, and those. Superb. Isha from Takshila has given the answer. Okay. So, demonstrative adjectives are basically the words like this, that, these, and those. All right. So, let's see how exactly they are written in French. Okay. For the first one. Now, this, that, these, and those. They have genders in French. Okay. Basically, there are 4. Masculine singular, masculine plural. Feminine singular, feminine plural. So 4 हुआ, correct? Number and gender 4 हुआ. I repeat, masculine singular, masculine plural. Feminine singular, feminine plural. So we are going to have 4 words, 4 different words, okay, over here in the demonstrative adjectives. And there is going to be one more extra word. What is it? We will see while I'm explaining this. So first one, for a masculine singular noun. For example, here in the picture, they show a chocolate. So chocolate is masculine, and that is why we use the word ce, ce, chocolat. Okay. Now, because it is singular, what fits here is this chocolate or that chocolate. These and those, they come under plural category. So that is not the translation over here. This chocolate or that chocolate. Ce, chocolat. When there is only one chocolate. But when there are many, it's going to be say chocolat. Chocolat with an S. Say, you see, CE is changing to CES. Chocolat is taking an extra S. This chocolate, these chocolates. Clear? So for the masculine singular, we use CE, masculine plural, CES. The next one now. For the feminine noun, okay? Feminine singular, you see there is only one girl. Singular hai. So I am going to write set C. CE changes to CETTE. Feminine हो गया, तो CETTE लिखा हमने. This girl or that girl. Singular है, इसलिए this that. When there are many girls, I am going to write it as say C. These girls or those girls. Getting me? अभी you will ask these या those कैसे पता चलेगा? That will depend on the context of the sentence. Okay? Plural है तो translation could be these or those. Singular है तो translation could be this or that. It depends on the context. So these are the 4 words that you are supposed to know. Masculine singular के लिए CE. Masculine plural CES. Feminine singular CETTE. Feminine plural CES. Now, if you see, CES remains the same for masculine singular and masculine plural and feminine plural. है ना? CES same है. So when it is plural, you can just simply close your eyes and write CES. Irrespective of its gender, masculine plural हो या feminine plural हो, your answer is just the same. CES. All right. I hope you were able to hear me because I had some connectivity problem. Can you hear me? Yes? Okay. Connectivity problem. Can you now see it? I got logged out as I had connectivity problems. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Yes, okay. So I repeat, for the masculine singular words, CE, masculine plural, CES. Feminine singular, CETTE, feminine plural, CES. अभी CES, CES same दिख रहा है, right? So you have to know, plural हुआ तो हम CES ही लिखेंगे. There is no different word for masculine plural and feminine plural. दोनों के लिए plural हुआ तो हम CES ही लिखेंगे. Am I clear? Okay. Yeah, I'll go ahead. I'll unmute one person. Khushi, I'm unmuting you. Khushi? Khushi, can you hear me? Okay. Dhairya, can you hear me? Dhairya?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me, dear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Dhairya, for the masculine singular word, could you tell me what do we use?
Hello.
Yes.
CE.
Correct. Superb. For feminine singular?
CETT.
Okay. For masculine plural?
Masculine plural. CES.
Feminine plural?
Yes.
CES. दोनों के लिए same?
Yeah.
पक्का? किसने बोला ये?
पता है, आपने बोला ना.
Okay, okay, all right. ठीक है. So now there is one more word which you have to remember. Okay.
Yeah.
Apart from these four. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm going to mute you, dear.
Yeah.
There you. Yeah. So apart from these four words, CE, CES, CTTE and CES. मतलब masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. ये 4 number and gender के अलावा we have one more extra column over here. Okay, let's see when exactly is that used. Now in the picture you see a man, right? So here the word is homme. In French it is homme. अभी आपको याद होगा तो H is considered as a vowel in French. Okay, when H is mute, you can consider it as a vowel because I pronounce it as homme, not home. It's silent है ना इधर. H is mute. So when you have H mute, you can consider it as a vowel. Now you see the sound is clashing. Om, CE and Om. E and O clash हो रहा है. Yeah, rather you can simply say E and H are getting clash if you consider H as a vowel. Yeah. So very important thing. The word has to be masculine singular and it has to start with a vowel. Masculine singular words starting with a vowel take CET and not CES. CET and not CE. Okay. Why do you add that extra T over there? To avoid the clash. Just like in English, you may say an R. Okay. I'll be there in an hour. You don't say a R. है ना? So some of these things are, happen even in English. Set om. CET, the extra T is put up over here to avoid the vowel clash. An aeroplane, जैसे aeroplane नहीं बोलते हैं ना, vowel clash होता है तो. So that is how you are going to put the masculine singular words and vowel के लिए CET. Okay, CET you are going to put for the words which are masculine singular beginning with vowel. I repeat, only masculine singular. I have highlighted that in the heading. क्यों ऐसे? अगर feminine singular हुआ and vowel clash हो रहा है तो चलेगा. You can write it down in the note. For a feminine singular word which starts with a vowel, you will write CETTE only. You will not write CET for feminine singular words beginning with vowel. I hope I am making myself clear. Okay. So you have CE for masculine singular, CET for masculine singular plus vowel, and CES for a plural word, masculine plural. Feminine singular, CETTE. फेमिनिन सिंगुलर वर्ड हुआ जो वॉवल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो CETT ही लिखेंगे. लेट द वॉवल्स क्लैश. एंड लास्टली फेमिनिन प्लूरल के लिए CES. So I will display the table over here. Let's see. First column, masculine singular CE. Sir livre, sir garçon. Okay. Next one. Second column, masculine singular words beginning with vowel. They take CET. Set om, set oiseau. Okay. Because the vowels are clashing, you see H vowel, O vowel, and both of these words are masculine singular and they're starting with vowel, which is why we have used CET. Feminine singular, CETT, CETT. Set rope, set fee. This dress, this girl. Okay, CETTE because these words are feminine singular. अगर यहाँ पे हमने कोई feminine word लिखा होता जो vowel से start होता है, for example, étudiant. I'll put that in the chat box. Étudiant with an E. Okay, so यहाँ पे we would have still written CETTE. Set étudiant. यहाँ पे vowel clash हो रहा है, no doubt, but we have to let it clash. Getting me? And the last one, masculine plural हो या feminine plural हो, दोनों के लिए CES. Says om, says oiseau. Okay. Now 1 minute time, go through the table because then I'm going to have, we are going to have a small test. अच्छे से देख लो टेबल को, digest it. सब समझा नहीं समझा? If you have any doubts, put in the chat box. Those who don't have this, please make sure you write it down in the notebook. This table is very important. Aldrin is asking if I can explain the table again. Okay. Aldrin, I'll unmute you so that you can help me understand कहाँ पे problem है आपको. Yes, Aldrin.
हाँ मैम.
Yeah, पूछो.
I didn't understand this CET, that masculine singular for vowel or H mute.
Okay. So if you see the examples, om dekho and vazo dekho. Okay. Before you see the examples, tell me which are the vowels in French?
H,
हाँ
O,
हाँ
U,
हाँ
A,
हाँ
I,
हाँ
E.
हाँ. तो ऐसे हम लोग ऑर्डर में बोलते हैं ना, AEIOU ऐसे बोलते हैं. एल्ड्रिन याद है क्या, हमने सीखा था ये बचपन में.
हाँ याद है.
हाँ. तो AEIOU, these are the vowels, and apart from this we have H mute. H mute मतलब जब H silent होता है, you know, when you don't pronounce it, then it is considered as a vowel over here. Now see the examples. Om है ना, H silent है. And
हाँ.
vazo O तो clearly vowel है.
Yeah.
Now if I write CE, तो vowels clash होगा. E will clash with H, E will clash with O.
Yeah.
Aldrin, example में समझ रहा है आपको?
हाँ समझ रहा है.
Now, ये vowel clash ना हो इसलिए हमने T डाला. Do
अच्छा.
you get me?
तो डबल टी नहीं डाल सकते?
नहीं डाल सकते. क्यों? मैन फेमिनिन है क्या?
नहीं.
Aldrin,
नहीं.
CTT किसके लिए यूज है? ऊपर देखो, CTT का यूज क्या है? ऊपर देखो, हेडिंग देखो कॉलम का.
फेमिनिन सिंगुलर.
एग्जैक्टली. तो ओम के लिए हम फेमिनिन सिंगुलर कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? ओम इज मैस्कुलिन, नो, मैन इज मैस्कुलिन. समझ रहा है?
यस मैम.
तो फेमिनिन वर्ड्स के लिए ही हम CETT यूज करेंगे. मैस्कुलिन वर्ड्स के लिए CE, एंड मैस्कुलिन वर्ड्स वोवेल से स्टार्ट हुआ तो CET. क्लियर एल्ड्रिन?
ओके मैम, क्लियर.
या.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. Anyone? Anything else? Yeah, Shravan, you are right. Y is also a vowel. But we don't have a lot of words. Okay, usually used with Y. Are you done? Let me know in the chat box. आज ग्रीन सिग्नल कोई नहीं दे रहा है मुझे. लगता है बहुत बुरा सिखाया मैंने. I got the green signal. Great. Thank you. Finally. Green signal mila? Yeah, great. Okay. Now we are going to have a small test. Okay. I quickly show this table once again. Masculine singular CE. Masculine singular that begins with a vowel CET. Feminine singular CETTE. Masculine plural and feminine plural CES. One thing to remember, feminine singular में vowel clash होता है तो होने देने का. Clear? I go ahead. Yeah. So you have 5 questions over here. I'll give you 1 minute. Solve it in your notebook. Fill in the blank with the appropriate demonstrative adjective is what the question says. So read the sentence and choose the appropriate demonstrative adjective that we just discussed. 1 minute and then we discuss.
TW.
Yeah, done. Your time's up. Lisha is done. Others? Yeah, I see people raising hand. Okay. Aldrin, आपका hand ऊपर ही है कब से? Did you forget to lower your hand? Okay, I'm going to give someone the speech access so that we can discuss the answer. Yeah, Atharva from Vikhroli branch. Atharva, are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello dear. So what is the first answer that you have written?
CETTE.
Superb. क्यों लिखा CETTE?
क्योंकि मेजॉन फेमिनिन है.
Exactly. So you are looking at the correct word. Blank के बाद वाले word का number and gender देखने का. As he rightly pointed out, maison is feminine singular. That is why he has chosen CETTE. Next one, Konda. Second one.
CE.
Very good. Superb. यहाँ पे CE क्यों?
क्योंकि मॉन्यूमेंट मैस्कुलिन है.
Correct. Superb. Very good. आपको सब बोलना है, बोल दो, फटाफट बोल दो, so that we can proceed fast. Third वाला.
CETTE.
Superb. कैसे पता?
एग्लीस फेमिनिन है इसीलिए.
Exactly. So this is what I was talking about. अभी मुझे बताओ कोंडा, यहाँ पे वॉवल क्लैश नहीं हो रहा है क्या?
हो रहा है.
तो आपने CETTE क्यों लिखा?
क्योंकि एग्लीस फेमिनिन है ना इसीलिए.
Exactly. Superb. So if the word is a feminine singular word, then vowel clash होने देने का. This is what we were talking about. Aldrin, I hope you're understanding this. Fourth one, Konda.
CES.
Superb. See, यहाँ पे plural है तो अगर number and gender नहीं पता है तो then it's completely fine. Last one.
CE.
CE. Okay. See the adjectives in the same sentence, Konda. वो कौन से form में है? Masculine है, feminine है?
मैस्कुलिन ही है ना.
हाँ, करेक्ट. तो हम CE लिखेंगे, बाजू में देखो, the word starts with what?
CET. Sorry, CET.
Correct. Very good. Self correction. Super. So you see, because it is masculine singular and vowels are clashing, he changed his answer to CET. Very good, Konda. Okay, let me know in the chat box how many of you got full marks. Very good, Konda. You've got all correct. Full, Lisha full, Aldrin full. Very good. क्या बात है? Superb. Only Lisha, Aldrin full. Jay full, Sakshi full. Very good, very good. Superb. All correct. Great. तो मतलब मैंने बहुत अच्छे से सीखा. I should pat on my back then. Okay. 5 more questions, 1 minute, and then we discuss again. Okay? ये first answer आपको दिख गया. No worries. Shravan has some doubt. Okay, Shravan, I am going to give you speech access. Yes, Shravan. Shravan, unmute yourself. Shravan, can you hear me? Okay, he has mic issue. His question is how child can be singular. Okay. Singular. Child तो singular ही होगा ना भाई. Children plural होता है. Shravan, do you get it? How child can be singular? Child एक ही है ना? Not that one. Then what, dear Shravan? What doubt do you have? Please write clearly so that I can understand your doubt. Do you want to ask why it is masculine, Shravan? How do you know that it is masculine? Yes. Okay. So I will go to the previous slide once again. Okay. All right. Shravan, look at the sentence. Okay. Jay says he wants to answer. Jay, let me give you the speech access and see if you can explain. Yeah,
Yes,
Jay,
ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so tell Shravan, how do you exactly figure out that your child is masculine?
What is my child? Because there
Yes.
is not E at the end.
Acha. Okay, Jay, your answer would have been correct agar enfant e leta. Usually, enfant is a word which remains the same for masculine as well as feminine. Okay. So how do you know it is masculine here? Okay, Jay, I'm going to mute you. There is lot of disturbance from your end. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for attempting, Jay. Here, how do you figure out it is masculine is the question from Shravan. Okay. Set enfant est mignon. Okay. Now, enfant could be feminine as well as masculine. This question is how do you figure out it is masculine? Check in the yes. Konda has answered in the chat box. Mignon, अगर आप देखोगे, then it is written in the masculine singular form. MIGNON. है ना? अगर वो feminine होता, MIGNON, NE होता, अगर वो feminine singular होता तो. The question says it is MIGNON, मतलब masculine singular. Do you get me? Feminine होता तो MIGNONNE होता. Yeah, Shravan has understood. I hope it is clear to others as well. So next slide. Remember, 1 minute. Quickly finish it. There is orca, ORCA. Orca is a whale. Okay. Shall we start discussing? Konda वो feminine है, masculine है, वही तो answer आपको, you have to figure out. एग्जाम में दिया नहीं होगा कौन सा masculine, कौन सा feminine. So if I tell you the number and gender, then it's like I'm giving you the answer indirectly. Okay. While we are discussing, you will figure that out, Konda. Okay, Jay wants to answer, but Jay, there's a lot of disturbance from your end. Let's see if it's fine now. Jay?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
6 वाला बोलो, dear.
CETT.
हाँ, okay. ये तो मैंने already display कर दिया था. 7th वाला बताओ. Yes, Jay.
CES.
Very good. CES. 8th one, Jay.
CES.
Superb. 9th one.
CET.
Very good. And the last one.
CE.
Superb. Very good, Jay. I hope you all have got the same answers. Let me know if you got them all correct. Aldrin has put the answers in the chat box. Aldrin, only the first one was incorrect, it seems. Rest of them are still fine. Yeah. Or maybe you started answering from the 7th one. 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay. Yeah, all correct, superb. Anyone, any doubt? We saw 10 sentences on this topic. All clear? Yeah, green signal? Yes, superb. Okay. I see participants still raising hand. Is that for doubt? Let me know in the chat box. Yeah, okay. Now there is one thing that I want you to know. In the next class, okay, I'm going to put this in the chat box. In the next class, you will log in as usual, but you will keep one extra device with you. For those who are using phone, you will need another phone. Okay, handy. एक एक्स्ट्रा फोन लगेगा. Why? Because we are going to play a game in another application which I will be displaying here. So basically, do not log in, do not do anything. Just download the application that I'm asking you to. Okay, it's Kahoot. Kahoot. ये download करके रखना so that we can play a game in the next class. All right. आप जो device से log in करते हो Zoom lecture के लिए, that remains the same. You have to log in here also. दूसरे वाले phone में. Okay. If you do not have any extra phone, it's completely fine. Do not cry and say I want to buy a new phone. Chalega, we can still play the game. But if you have another device, you can maybe a mom's phone, dad's phone, Android phone होना चाहिए तो ही you can download this. Okay, you will download this application and keep. Do not log in, just download and keep. All right? Am I clear? So we can have. Will tab be okay? If you are able to, yeah, tab will be okay. All right. So I will proceed with another topic. Okay. Now the another small topic, the smallest and the easiest topic that we have over here is les adjectives interrogative. Les adjectives interrogative. Interrogative, interrogative. Okay. Now interrogative adjectives in French are which and what. Okay, which and what. Probably you did not do in the last year, or if you've done, then well and good. You this is the revision for you. So the interrogative adjectives which and what. Again, they are going to have 4 forms: masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. Okay, 4 forms है. जैसे demonstrative में 4 थे, वहाँ पे एक extra था, यहाँ पे there is nothing extra. Okay, यहाँ पे vowel का कोई issue नहीं है. So we are going to have 4 forms: masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. Okay. Interrogative adjectives. Now let's go ahead with the first one. Masculine singular, QUEL, and masculine plural, QUELS. We are just adding an S. Okay. Kel means which or what. Again, it depends on the context. Sentence read करोगे तो आपको समझेगा. Okay. Feminine form. Feminine singular is QUELLE, and feminine plural is QUELLES. So if you remember the singular forms QUEL and QUELLE, plural में तो आपको बस S लगाना है. Getting me? These are the 4 words that are there for interrogative adjectives. All the words, kel, and kel, all of these words mean which or what. कौन सा वाला word कभी यूज करना है, that will depend on blank के बाद वाला noun. Okay? जैसे हम लोग ने demonstrative adjective solve किया, तो we check the number and gender of the word which was given after the blank. तो यहाँ पे भी हम same करेंगे. All right? The 4 words: QUEL, masculine singular; QUELS, masculine plural; QUELLE, feminine singular; QUELLES, feminine plural. All right? Meaning which or what. 1 minute to just go through the table so that I can then ask questions. If you've not understood anything, you can ask in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box. Are you ready? Okay, Disha says yes. Others, have you gone through the table? Have you understood? Yes, great, great. So, do I get the green signal? Yeah, okay. Again, I'll give you 1 minute. You will be solving and then we will be discussing. Yeah. So this is from your textbook. Okay. 10th standard का textbook में से ये exercise लिया है. Chapter 3, exercise 8. While you are solving, you can write down chapter 3, exercise number 8. Fill in the blank with the appropriate interrogative adjective. Okay. Now from the table, 4 words में से कौन सा वाला word यहाँ पे suitable है, you have to write. 1 minute and then we discuss. Quickly solve it in your notebook and then I shall unmute and ask. Okay, Aldrin says he's done. Others, Shravan says he's done. Waiting for others. Disha done. Great. क्या बात है, फटाफट कर लिया. सब फॉर्म में लगता है. Jai done. Shikha done. Very good. Srushti done. Others. Shall we begin? Is anyone still solving? Alden, you answered a lot already. We give chance to someone else now. Okay, let's see. Who's not answered today? Shikha has not answered today, right? Or she's answered. Wait, let me see. Khushi from Ghatkopar. Khushi, unmute yourself. Khushi, are you there? Okay, seems she has some connectivity issue. Lisha, are you there? Okay, Samara.
Hello.
Yeah, Samara, first one.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Go ahead.
Quel, Quel, livre, voulez-vous?
Super. First, correct. Second.
Quel, age avez-vous?
Very good. Third one.
Quelle,
Very good. Superb. Quelle. Cooler is feminine. and that's how it is Quelle. Next one, fourth one, Samara.
Quels.
Very good. Okay. अगर मैंने क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे चेंज किया होता, सपोज आई वुड हैव एडेड ES in the end, तो आपका आंसर चेंज होता क्या? Suppose
Might
I
be.
change ethiodiont to ethiodiont with ES, then what would your answer be?
Feminine.
Correct. ES डाला मैंने, तो आप क्या डालोगे?
Quelles.
Super, very good. Fifth one,
Quelles.
very good. Sixth one,
Quelle.
very good. Seventh,
Quels.
perfect. And last,
Quelle.
okay, if I say journal is masculine singular,
Okay.
then
Quel.
yes,
QUEL.
exactly. Okay, superb, Samara, perfect. We mute you. Others, let me know in the chat box if you've understood all of these, if you've got the same answers. Is there any word that you don't know? Yeah, Aldrin is given a green signal in capital letters. Yeah, Isha, what do you want to ask? Okay, she's got only the last one wrong. No worries, happens. But now you do know your mistake, so you do not repeat it. Others, is everything clear from this slide? Do you know all of the words that are there in the slide? Yes, Shivani says yes. Others? Yes, okay. All right, then let's see if you know all of them. Fifth wale question mein, second wala word, cravat. What do you mean by cravat? Jay, would you answer? Okay, Jay, I will unmute you. He says yes, so I'll unmute you. Yeah, Jay, what do you mean by cravat? Fifth wala sentence. Jay? Shivani has answered in the chat box. Okay, Samara has raised hand. Samara, do you want to say? Samara, unmute yourself. Samara? Yeah, Shivani has answered, Aldrin has answered, Isha has answered in the chat box. Who else has answered? Dario has answered. Great. Okay, so cravat is tie. Very good. For those who answered in the chat box, you are right. Okay, another word. What is journal? Eighth wala sentence mein second wala word. Journal. No, it is not journal. That is why I asked. Journal is not journal. Yes, Palak is right. Isha is right. Srushti is right. Journal is newspaper. Okay, not journal. Remember. सिर्फ न्यूज भी नहीं, न्यूज़पेपर. शिखा. Okay. Let's see. Chambre, sixth one. Isha wants me to repeat meaning of cravat. Cravat is tie. Tie, tie. Yeah, Zaire is right. He's answered. Chambre is bedroom. Then, okay. Sixth wala sentence में ही last word. Libre. What is libre? LIBRE. No, Aldrin, वो LIBRE. Libra is book. This is LIBRE. Yeah, Lisha has answered correctly. It is free. 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 Which room is free? FREE. Okay. Now, out of all of these sentences, okay, out of 8 sentences, there is one sentence written in passé composé. Let me see if you are able to identify. Put it in the chat box. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. सिर्फ नंबर डालो. कौन सा वाला passé composé में है? Isha has answered correctly. Shivani, nope. Shivani, think again. Aldrin has answered correctly. Others, Rahul has answered correctly. Very good. Palak has answered correctly. No, Shivani, you have to still check. Okay. So, Shivani, you are giving all the sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. You have to select one. There is only one sentence here out of 8 which is given in passé composé, and that is sentence number 4. Okay. Quelle étude ont gagné? Ont gagné. If you see ont avoir conjugation, gagné past participle of gagner, Gagner. Gagner is to win. Which students won the prize? Past tense, passé composé. Clear? Yes. Ont is avoir conjugation. Gagner का past participle Gagner acute लिखा हुआ है. Great. Good to know you are able to identify passé composé over here. Okay. Last question. 7th वाले sentence में what do you mean by legume? Something that you don't like. Yeah, all of you are correct. It's vegetables. Superb. Okay, great. So we'll wind up the session here. I'll just quickly tell you what exactly we covered in this lecture. Okay, we discussed exercise number 5, 6, and 7. Okay, 5 exercise was make the sentences in the negative form. 6th exercise, make it interrogative. 7th exercise, we rearrange the sentence and put them in the correct order in such a way that it makes sense. After which I gave you some exercise as homework, as assignment, if you remember. Exercise number, who can tell me? Put it in the chat box. Yes, Palak, you are right. 9, 12, and 15. Okay, from your textbook, chapter 1. Exercise number 9, 12, and 15 is your assignment. Okay. Apart from that, we finished 2 more topics, demonstrative adjectives and interrogative adjectives. All right. So you will revise these 2 topics because you will have a small test, a small quiz on these 2 topics. And how are we going to have it? You have to download the application. I will write it once again in the chat box. Please download it, but do not log in. Okay. Just download and keep. That's it. And download it in a device which you are not going to use, where you are not going to use Zoom. We need 2 devices. One, you will log in your Zoom account, okay, for your lecture, and another one you will use for this application. Okay, you will need 2 devices. If you don't have 2 devices, it's completely fine. No worries, and you will solve it in your notebook if you don't have another device. So we will end the session here. Remember to download this. Jai has already downloaded it. Okay. Over to you, Dhru sir.